Hare Krishna, everyone. So, we are here with the results of the 7th chapter quiz of the Bhagavad Gita that we had conducted at the end of the 7th chapter. Thank you very, very much for your wonderful responses. We are very, very happy. The entire Krishna Smaran team is very happy and pleased that many devotees are coming up who are getting 100% in the quizzes. That shows the seriousness with which you are taking our humble endeavors in giving this knowledge to you. Thank you very, very much. It gives us immense pleasure to announce the results of this quiz, which are as under. So the 5th position, again may I state that all these 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st position have been backed by devotees who have got 100% marks, 100 out of 100. And there are more also who have got 100 out of 100, whose names we will be taking a short while from now. So first, the 5th place goes to Shrimati Manali Kamath from Madgaon, Goa. Thank you very, very much, Manali ji, for participating in this quiz and taking these teachings so very seriously. 4th place goes to Vandana Kumari from Vasco, Goa. Thank you very, very much for your wonderful efforts, and we are very pleased that we are able to serve you. 3rd place goes to Shrimati Nimisha Chavda from Valsad, Gujarat. Thank you very, very much, Mataji. Thank you for continuously being with Krishna Smaran and enthusing us and inspiring us with your marks. 2nd place is backed by Korra Ishwar Naik from Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much, Ishwar Prabhu. We miss you here so very much. Thank you very, very much for taking this quiz and congratulations for getting 100% marks. And the 1st place is backed by Parth Sarthi Malik ji from Bhadrak, Odisha, our veteran first ranker. It gives us so very huge sense of achievement in seeing that all of you have got 100 out of 100, which basically means that the entire Krishna Smaran team has been successful in communicating the message of Gita. Apart from this, there are so many others who have also got 100% marks in this quiz, and we are very, very happy to name Shriman Arjun Priya Prabhu from Ponda, Goa, Shriman Nitin Pise Prabhu, Shriman Vishwanath Lotlikar Prabhu from Madgaon, Goa, Shriman Brijesh Naik Prabhu from Ponda, Goa, Shriman Manmohan Mohanty Prabhu from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, Shrimati Kalyani Patnaik from Vasco, Goa, and Shrimati Gayatri Naik from Vasco, Goa. Thank you very, very much for your wonderful participation, enthusiastically taking this message. You also very performing brightly gives us hope that we continue with our endeavors with renewed zeal and commitment. May Lord Krishna bless all of you abundantly with this most understanding of this most wonderful knowledge, and a very huge thank you to each and every participant for taking this quiz. We hope to see your names also in this list. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Shrimad Bhagavad Gita ki Jai.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.